You're just right. I can't even say you're almost perfect. You're perfect.
I like that. I'm taking that.
Right height to everything. Well, say good morning to the people we had. You are actually, but James, this is the most beautiful young lady you have, and listen, you're strong because you're amongst all these men.
How they gassing me up here this morning?
No, you are wrong. You are wrong.
St.Maarten trying to keep me here.
Well, listen, if it's one thing with us, we don't run nobody. I was just explaining the young men in here so them to understand. The diaspora of St.Maarten, our voting nationalities, and when I say voting, everybody decide what's going on in government, is 137 different nationalities. So you know what it's like for us as men, having 137 different type of women? Carnival Village, right now we make a calculation. We make a calculation, we say we don't want to fight in Carnival. Because it's 10,000 women, 3,000 men. That's 7,000 free bomb seater wide. Listen, you don't know. And then you here with all these men.
Yeah. Big up my brothers in the community.
I won't be checking for you because you ain't that safe here. I just tell you.
Are they checking for me? Are they holding me down? I feel as safe. They have me.
Are 7,001 free. You understand? Tell the people who you are, darling. Because we just here talking, and I ain't let you introduce yourself. Introduce yourself to St.Maarten.
Yes. Good morning, St.Maarten. I am so happy to be here. This is my first time coming to perform for you all, and I go by the name Rae. And Rae represents real, authentic energy straight out of Trinidad and Tobago.
And she pretty too. I don't understand it. You understand? Well, we are so happy to have you here. You understand? Welcome to Sunshine City. I have to explain to them, this is not St.Maarten. This is Sunshine City.
Sunshine City, I like that.
Right. Because when you walk outside, sun hot. And we have bipolar weather. You could leave from here with the sun hot, reach around the corner and it's raining hot. You understand? So we are happy to have you here. I know you guys are going to be extremely busy because we're getting ready for Concert X.
Yes.
With my nephew. This is my nephew.
Big up King James.
King James. He's my nephew. He's been doing this. He's been doing this now for 3 years. This is the third one. You understand that he's done? I tell him the other day, I say, well, I'm glad I ain't on this one. Because I'm usually, besides, he gonna explain to y'all who I be. Besides me being a great radio personality, you understand? And I am. You understand?
Yeah, big up yourself.
I'm also an artist. Yeah. You work with two of my used to work. This song is done by Madman Johan.
Yeah, for
and
sure.
Calypso. You understand? Yeah. Rochi. And Ricky.
Yes.
The original Madman production.
Yeah.
They have done music for me for 15 years.
Okay.
I've seen you in the studio with Johan. You might remember because when you see now, the belly gone. I was bigger. You understand that way they call me? I was shadow man. I cast a shadow.
Right.
You understand? Now it's Uncle Shads and the ladies love it. You understand? The beard guys and everything. So it is, and I miss them. I miss Ricky and I miss Roach. So I know he has been, Johan was down for a minute. I know what it's like to lose your brothers. So when this song dropped, I tell him, what? This sweet man, both at the same time. I and drunk at the same time. I say, but that sound like my personal carnival. You understand? And then stagger dance. I say, what?
Yeah.
Kelvin doing big things.
Yes,
so I gotta give him a round of applause.
For sure.
Concert X3.
Tonight, it's happening.
And I know you guys are busy, and I myself are busy. I'm so happy to get him to come in, bring you guys in on a quick shot, do this, because tomorrow's also reggae night. We got Morgan Heritage and Diani. Morgan Heritage is about to come in. There's some way they're coming.
Yeah.
So I want you all together tell the people what is going to be tonight, seeing that this is Koncert X, the journey of King James, my little nephew. You're large.
Yeah, high energy, full entertainment, you know what I mean? You can't get all everything, all you have to come out and see it for yourself. So make sure you get all the last minute tickets and come down tonight. All the artists is here, and I must say, big up the band. The band song amazing. We went and rehearsed last night. We are song check to make sure everything intact today. So all of us come out and experience the thing. Like I said, big up my brother King James doing big things. So it's the third one. Don't miss it. Tonight is happening. We here. Where are you?
Yeah, boy, I don't know if I could top what Lyro said there, nah.
No, you be you and you say you. I gonna help you.
I mean, of course.
She's short, she cute, she amazing.
Short and sweet, short and sweet.
She's amazing and she can sing.
Yeah.
But I'm coming to bring some fire.
Oh God, hear it.
The fire what?
As the fire starter, so I need somebody to put out the fire. They must have a fire hose to put that out.
Hey, she opening the show. James, she opening the show? Oh, because if she's the fire starter, let me get the fire started.
Close the show because I want to get to sing. Yeah. What I want to say is if all the plan on coming out with heels, put our slippers in all of them. Because we like to make people run up and down, right? So
or just take it off.
Or take it off. Hold it in your hand.
Well, let me help you a little bit on that. You see, the women in St. Maarten, the women love to dance. And I've been advocating sundress season because they walk, right now all of them walking. The twins them tie up whole day. You understand? So, with that, you understand? You put on a pretty sundress, the twins them free, you understand, and come through. But they like to walk with heels. You understand? Yeah. You understand? So I know what it's like. I walking around, my whole calabar is hugs alone. It's hugs alone. So you understand? Seeing that it's sundress season and it's King James concert. Listen, man, I know you don't listen.
Come on, ladies, come on.
Come on.
Where will you be?
So once again, thank you so much for coming through to the Mood. This is the Mood in the Morning. That's this program. It's called the Mood in the Morning with your favorite uncle. And your favorite uncle appreciate you guys for coming through. For my nephew,
Much appreciate
King James. The whole of St. Maarten appreciate you for coming through for King James.
For sure.
You understand? So, as it is, I drunk over woman I hire for the music. Lyrikal doing the same thing.
Yes,
ladies, the twins free. The twins are free tonight for Koncert X. So we coming through. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming through. Thank you so much for making. Thank you so much for coming to Sunshine City.